Tour Driver Safety Guidelines. Welcome. Thank you for your continued service, especially during these delicate times. Your safety is important to us, so ensure to follow the guidelines to reduce the risk. Pre-tour guidelines. Submit your license, valid, and insurance copy, self-declaration form. Inform our transport manager 24 hours prior if you are sick or have been an emergency. Attend all health and safety policy training. Undergo health screening before each tour. Sanitize vehicle before each tour. Arrive for pickup point 1 hour before the scheduled time. Greet passengers with an ayubowan. Avoid handshakes. On tour guidelines. Temperature check of the driver and passenger before the passengers board the vehicle, one-way transfers of the driver and passengers daily during the inbound tour. Keep our transport manager updated daily on temperature record of the driver on one-way transfers. Driver must record his temperature before picking up the passengers. Temperature record of the driver and passengers during the inbound tour. Driver must check his and the passenger's temperature before starting the tour. This must be done daily, documented and shared. Wear a face mask and personal protective equipment at all times. The vehicle must have a hand sanitizer, first aid kit, spare face masks, gloves, a thermometer and disposable bags. Sanitize luggage and shoes before boarding. The inbound tour driver must hand all passengers the tour docket at the start of the tour. No stops permitted in between the pickup and drop-off locations. No route or itinerary changes are permitted mid-tour. Please follow all safety guidelines properly. The responsibility to be safe is in all our hands. Thank you and have a safe journey.